Remembering tricks for 7 crystal system in solid state chemistry. The tricks is that cute our mother. For CU, this is represent cubic system. T represent tetrahedral. R represent orthorhombic. MO represent monoclinic. T for triclinic. He represent the hexagonal and R represent the rhombohedral. So cute our mother. Cu represent cubic, Te represent tetrahedral, R represent orthorhombic, MO represent monoclinic, and T represent triclinic, H represent hexagonal, and R represent rhombohedral. So cubic, tetrahedral, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral, or this is called the trigonal. This is 7 crystal system. Now suppose a crystal system. Now this angle alpha, this angle beta, this angle gamma, and axis is axis length A, B, and C. Now the cell dimensions, this is the axis length. The relation A, B, C, remember by the tricks. This is 0, 1, 2, and last side 0, 1, 2, and this is 2. Now 0 represent A equal B equal C, and 1 represent A equal B not equal C, 1 is not equal, and 2 represent 2 are not equal. So represent this 0 all are equal, 1 not equal, and 2 this represent 2 are not equal. So this is the remember it is first 0, 1, 2, and last side 0, 1, 2, and middle 2. And angle, remember the tricks is code number, code C for represent cubic system, O this is orthorhombic system, and T for tetrahedral system. This is also angle alpha equal beta equal gamma equal to 90 degree. So alpha equal beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and this is also tetrahedral. So alpha equal beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and orthorhombic, this is also alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. But others 4 remember first 2 are equal, alpha equal beta equal to 90 degree, but gamma not equal 90 degree, and triclinic all are not equal 90 degree, alpha not equal beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree, and hexagonal alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree, but gamma equal to 120 degree, remember that. And rhombohedral or triclinic alpha equal to beta equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. 4 are remember, and 3 this is the tricks way. This is the code number, code for cubic, orthorhombic, tetrahedral all are 90 degree, and 4th are remember. Now in case of cubic system, A equal to B equal to C, and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. So both are symmetric. So in cubic system, this is the most symmetric crystal system. This is called most symmetric crystal system. And triclinic, A not equal to B not equal to C, and alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. So triclinic there is no symmetry, so this is the least or most asymmetric crystal system. This is called most asymmetric crystal system, and cubic this is most symmetric crystal system. Now example in cubic system NaCl, KCl, ZnS, etc. and tetrahedral, this is tin oxide, TiO2, etc. And orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur, barium sulfate, and monoclinic, this is monoclinic sulfur, calcium sulfate, 2H2, etc. And triclinic, this is copper sulfate, 5H2, and hexagonal, this is graphite, zinc oxide, and rhombohedral, this is calcite, magnesite, quartz, etc. So please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.